We are in the paddock at Homestead Speedway checking out the drift cars. This is Ryan Kaufman's FC. Over here to the side, we got Ricky Boada and his C5 Vet. Check that out. Shout out to Valvoline. Ryan Kaufman's FC is sick. This is actually his second FC. What a beast. Shout out to Taxi Garage. Ryan is killing it. Going over here to the next area. Sorry, loud. BMW. O'Connor. Slade's Tires. SR20. Check out that. VSKFs. Gutter Club. VIP style. Dominoes. BMX Andy. Really good drifter. Another Beamer. Another FC. Infinity Sedan. 350Z Ensemble works. Got all the Meisters. Another C5 Vet. Tezza, Lexus. S14. You know I got love for all the S chassis. Take a look at the inside of this one. All right, never lift. Quick Royal steering wheel. Another 350Z. Oh, bear with me. It's loud. Mustang, BMW, Z, Infinity. Here we go with Cody's S13. The OG Cody. This man is a beast. If you ever run into him on the street, he will race you. It doesn't matter if you are driving a McLaren F1. He will line up. OG sticker. It's the interior. S13 hatch on some tri-spokes. Tri-spokes are tough to pull off, and the hatch is probably one of them that does it well as the Miatas. White on white, can't beat that. Nice NB Miata. For anybody who doesn't understand how to identify the Miatas quickly, the NAs are the pop-ups, the NBs are the fixed lights, the NCs are a bit of a more wide body style, and the NDs are the newer, more modern, back to the small style. That does not look stock. Nice. Here we go with another Miata. BMW. And another 86. There we go. All right, that's it for now. That's the paddock. Homestead Speedway for anybody who's never seen it. Had a lot of fun times on this track. It's really cool. Until next time.